Hi friends, I hope you are all doing great. This is Ashu Srini from Maya's Creations. As you all know, the festive season is in corner, so let's try paneer kheer today. Ingredients required for making paneer kheer are dry fruits, ghee, milk, paneer, condensed milk, cardamom powder or the elaichi powder. First we need to scramble or grate paneer. Paneer is also called as cottage cheese. After grating or scrambling paneer, it should look something like this. Heat 2 tablespoons of ghee in a pan. Now add dry fruits to it. Stir it and wait till it is brown in color. Now add milk to it. Let it boil. Keep stirring it. I have added some more milk to it. You can see that milk has started boiling. Wait till it thickens. Keep on stirring it. You can see the milk is thick, so I am adding condensed milk to it. I will not be adding any sugar additionally to this recipe as condensed milk itself has lots of sugar in it. Now I am adding elaichi or the cardamom powder. Now add paneer. Now stir it well. Let it boil till the paneer absorbs some milk in it. This should be the consistency after that. Now the healthy and easy, tasty paneer kheer is ready to serve. If you want the kheer to be more tasty, then keep it refrigerated once it cools down for some time. I hope you people will try this recipe. I hope you have all enjoyed this video today. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, then please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon.